How to open nationwide online banking. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can open nationwide online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to open nationwide online banking, go to nationwide.co.uk. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Then from there, just tap the login option from the top of the screen. If you are already registered to internet banking, you can tap on login, but since you're trying to open it up, we will tap on register for internet banking option here. And as we do that, over here you can see what are the things that you will need. For this, you must have already created a bank account on your nationwide account. Then from here you can see I want to register with my, you can select mortgage, personal loan, credit card, savings account, current account. Depending on what else you prefer, you can select those options and then just tap the continue option that you can find here. Once you do that, you will be able to enter your current account number, or you can also enter the 8-digit number of your debit card. You can enter the sort code of your card, your first name, your last name, and then your date of birth, all of the legal details depending upon what you entered in the bank account as well. You can select the address, the postcode, then tap on the continue option, fill in other details to finish opening up your nationwide online banking account. This way you should be able to open nationwide online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.